and play around with the new toy again, right? So where are these new gamers coming from? Case study tells us. This is case material. Appendix. I hope you have seen this. This is in the appendix. We have 55 to 64-year-olds, grandparents, Saudi Arabia, new, right? So the Middle East, Taiwan, Egypt, the case study mentions, women, married couples are playing. Okay, nothing else to do, no lockdown, right? Especially if you don't have children. Okay, you need to find things to do. There's so much you can do also, no? Netflix, right? So gaming today in the West is a good pastime, and especially for competitive couples, you can compete. 3+ children, that is so true. 3+ children, right? So there are games for different ages. Games for different ages. There are games only for adults. Then you had 18+, whatever age categories plus, 12+, 7+, 10+, 11+, so on and so forth. So 3+ is a game that everyone can use. You'll give, right? So there are some sports games like NBA and so on and so forth. So 3+, you have some other games, okay, like Roblox, Mario, and a few other games like that. So we have fairly strong, okay, 3, 4, 5+, we have a very strong there because our characters appeal to that segment. Our characters appeal to that segment. But even as you go 7, 8, 9+, you start then seeing the other, what you call second and third party developers, right? And our characters start losing appeal. The PC games take over. Sony takes over, and that's it. You're out of Nintendo. You're out of Nintendo. This happens, okay? All of us start with a Game Boy. Now we start with the Switch. So we start here, but somewhere down the line, can you take this down? This is an interesting insight. This is an interesting insight. I'm telling you with experience. We all start with that Game Boy or now the Switch, right? First with the mobile, playing with the mobile, then we graduate to a Switch, Nintendo Switch. We don't get the Wii at once. But about 4 years, 5 years, you get the Switch. And you play that for a couple of years, maybe the 3DS, the 2DS, right? The smaller version of the Switch, which is discontinued now, right? Then for Nintendo, so now, right now, Nintendo has a problem. Right now, Nintendo has a problem. 3+ years, you can't use the Switch. You're too small. You're not represented there. So right at the bottom there, if you don't get them, because you're not in mobile gaming as well, can you make a note of that? That is a gap in the market, that you don't have a product that you need to fill fast. You don't have a product there. Roblox is there. Roblox is not yours, right? Roblox is a website. They don't belong to a platform. You have to go onto the website and play. Case study tells us that. It's a new business model, web-based. And you start playing it, it's very addictive. You start playing it with your friends, your school friends, because you can send links. You can send links. So my point I'm trying to tell you is that 3+ age, we used to have Game Boy, which is a handheld, smaller Game Boy. We used to be very strong there. Today, we are not strong there. Agree or disagree? Agree or disagree? Gamers? Hello? Agree. Agree. We are not strong there. We are not strong there, right, guys? So we need to do something. You need to now.
We are not strong in which the 3+ age group, is it?
Yeah, we are not strong in the younger group. I mean, for 3+ age group. 3 to about until you get your Switch. Because right now the Switch is, except for the Switch, everything else is discontinued. So Switch, you can't start playing at once. That's where the Game Boy market was.
What age do we start the Switch?
Huh?
What age?
You usually start 5, 5.5. Only you start Switch because I mean it's a bit of a big device, right? You can't start it at 3+, 4+. You can't start. So who's occupying that market at the moment, some app is occupying it on, some game app. We are not there. We are not on mobile. Parents will say, here, keep my phone whilst eating because the small fellow shouts. So those days we used to be able to give a Game Boy. Now we can't do that. So my point is, we have given up the bottom of the pyramid. Can you make a note of that? Under disruptive strategies, there are two disruptive strategies by Clayton Christensen. Can you please take note of this? There are two types of disruptive strategies. The first disruptive strategy is low cost innovations, low cost disruption. Low cost disruption is you have to have a device to grow the market, to get more people into the market. Game Boy used to do that. That's the market development product. That's the product that you put first in their mind. We have lost that position. We don't have a product there. That's a key insight. We have to do something really fast. Which is to, then I see another problem. After you start using Switch, from Switch, you don't graduate to Wii, you go from Switch to straight away PlayStation or Xbox. That's another problem. So after the Nintendo, after about 9 years plus, you lose that customer. He might own the old Switch, but you lose that customer to Sony or to Xbox or to PC. Agree or disagree, guys? Gamers, what do you all think?
Agree, sir.
Gamers?
Agree very much.
Very much. This is a key insight. Unless you fix these two problems, we will die. We will get disrupted. We don't have a low cost disruption, and we don't have a new market disruption. That's the second time. We don't have that. So Switch is doing well, but for how long? That's a big problem, right? So we need to look at this strategically. Please take some of these insights down and let's debate, let's discuss this, right? Because we are consultants. We have to rip this brand apart and say, you're not doing this properly. That's why they're going to pay us a lot of money, right? Marketers, we are marketers. Don't appreciate and say everything is nice, everything our characters, all that. We said nice, all good. Mario good, everything good. But then our brand is dying. We are suffering. Sony is killing us, right? Sony is killing. Our market cap is good. Last year's profits are good. Revenue is good. All that is good. But we are losing also quite a lot. We're losing ground. Very soon we are going to get disrupted. Right? So again,